Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix if mobile data is not working on Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this flight mode and again click on this flight mode. 1 to 3 times turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. And after the process you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library and click on internet app. You will check your internet connection is work properly. So internet connection is not work properly, so move from your area and you will see your problem is solved. But if it is still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on general management, click on reset. After click on reset, click on reset mobile network settings. Reset settings, enter your phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix mobile data is not working on Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.